Hi, I hope you're well. I was recently asked in a course about um, people who need to kind of schedule a certain number of working days ahead. Okay, so what they needed to know was, so for example, if I take a date of course here, and basically that needs to be reviewed maybe 49 working days ahead. So working days in this case means excluding Saturdays and Sundays and bank holidays, which I have over here. Okay, and it turns out that there is actually a function in Excel that does that, which is called Workday. Okay, so I'm just going to put down date to check here, and then I go up here to formulas, date and time, go down to this thing called Workday. Okay, so let's say the start date is going to be here. Okay, and then the number of days is going to be here, number of working days, and then I need to put in my holidays. So I've got the holidays over here. I'm just going to highlight all those and F4. Now, the thing you need to just note when you're kind of doing holidays, or in this scenario, because I've got it set up with a table, it just picked up the date automatically. But don't forget, you would have to press F4 or function F4 to kind of keep that fixed. And I click OK. Now it comes up with this, so it just means I need to go up here and I need to go to Home, change to General, change to Short Date, and there you go. Okay, so I now have my new revised dates that are built of working days and also exclude bank holidays. Now I did get these from Google because the dates in this set basically go over 3 years, 2019, 2020 and 21, but that would be how you do it just on the work days option. Okay. So, and I'll just do it again maybe if you need to use F4 if you haven't used the table. Okay. So in this one, I'm just going to show you where I haven't actually converted anything to a table. So you need to be using your F4 and your FN and F4 and so on. So click here, to formulas, date and time, down to your work day. So this is going to be my start date, which is the beginning of it. This is going to be the number of days. Okay. Now you could also have a scenario that if it's the same number of days, just put it up here in the cell and use F4 to lock it. And then my holidays are just going to be my dates here. And again, I'll just use F4 to lock it, or function F4, and then I click OK. Now when I do that, it just comes out as this number, which means I need to go back to Home, change it to a short date, and then double click. And you can see there, I get exactly the same results, but just in case you're in a scenario where it's not been formatted the table and you need to do it and so on. Okay, hope you find this useful. Mind yourself. Take care. Bye.